Hey everyone, welcome to 2021, a whole new year of Scott Rod content. And it's been a week since I've done a video. In fact, this is the first video I've done this year. Took a week off, had to recharge. You know what it's like. Right, it is officially winter and officially freezing. So for this video, I'm going to go through what I have planned for this year. We had some good news from the Ontario government today, well, the Canadian government today, rolling out this anticipated vaccine for everyone. So we're hoping that things will start opening up in summer and everyone should be vaccinated in Canada at least by the end of summer. So there's no excuses not to have some car show content. So what I'm going to do in this video is a bit of a preview, hopefully a preview of what's coming this year. Let's go. Oh, first, I need to show you something not to do. So let's start off with a top tip, and this is a top tip of what not to do. When your car is frozen, specifically your windows and your wipers, don't just go out and yank up your wiper blade, because that happens. So that just cost me $10. So don't do that. Okay, on with the show. Oh my god, that's not even in, I don't think. Well, that's a surprise. So that's the kind of shenanigans we all want to be getting up to this coming year. And with a bit of luck and a bit of common sense, we'll get there. If you want to see all that, make sure you hit the subscribe button down there. Click the little bell for notifications. Okay, on with it then. What are we doing first? Well, as you know, we have the massive list. Okay, can't all be done overnight, so I need to start somewhere. And since it's so freaking cold, I'm going to start with probably the windows, but also possibly the seat belts, because I'm really not comfortable driving about without a seat belt. I'm just used to wearing a seat belt. So Ted has sent me 2 seat belts, a left and a right, 3-point seat belts. I need to figure out a way to attach that to the car. The bottom 2 anchor points go in the seats, which is fine because those seats already came with those anchor points. So the hardest part is going to be constructing the shoulder anchor. Okay. And the other thing you may see in the desk on the bench is windows. I had originally wanted to use single pane glass, but again, Ted, my hero, sent me a full set of side windows. So that's obviously the rear section of the driver's window, I believe. Probably passenger. Anyway, so you've got this big window here, then you've got the little small panel there. And I do have them somewhere, but they're way in the back of the garage somewhere. So that's the choice. So let's put it to a vote. Do you want me to start installing windows or seat belts on the next video? Because I just can't decide. I can't decide. Okay, I'm not really doing anything today. I'm just letting you know what we're getting up to, and I'm starting to shiver already because it's so cold and I don't have my winter attire on. So before I go, there's a couple of websites, a couple of YouTube channels I want you to have a wee look at. First of all is Jamie in Scotland, Jamie Grant, who has been really helpful with sending me parts all the way from Scotland. So I really appreciate that, Jamie. So do me a favour and go to Jamie's channel, link up there. Just have a wee look. It's mostly, he's only got like 3 videos at the moment and they're on Mini Cooper stuff, but I'm sure he'll start doing more. He's just starting out on YouTube. Do me a favour, do him a favour, just have a wee look, click and subscribe. You never know. He's got an even funnier accent than me. So that's Jamie. The other person I want to try and help with is Cameron Burns Garage, also in Canada. He actually is making really nice videos, and again, just starting out, but he's working on a 46 rat rod truck, which is really cool. You got to go and see that. Again, link up there. Cameron Burns, nice guy. He came down here to visit me once, and I'm sure I'll see him again. Might even meet up at a show sometime, hopefully in the summer. So that's it for today, I'm afraid. I will resume tomorrow with long johns and 15 t-shirts and more weather appropriate attire. Okay, right folks, I hope you're all planning your own rides and your own projects for this coming year, and if you want to start making your own videos, please do so. I will give a shout out to everyone who's really want to make an effort in this newfangled internet world. Right, okay. Take care everyone. Remember, please subscribe, helps me a lot. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.